Hey, what's up guys? It's me again. Today we will be replacing on my E70 X5 driver side mirror. As you can see, there's no mirror on it. We'll be replacing that. This I got this from Amazon. Yes, and you. All we have to do is remove this old one with these tools. Right there, just a clip. Oh damn, dirty. Hook that. That's how you replace your side mirror on your E70 X5. Thanks for watching.